Hello there, everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Well, today, guys, I'm participating in another collaboration, and this one is the Red, White, and Blue Tablescape 2020. Now, there are two lovely hosts for this collaboration, and they are Vondessa of Vee-Ology and Tammy of Tammy Thompson TV MG. Now, I have left links to both of these ladies' channels down in my description box, along with the playlist. I don't know if you subscribe to them, one or both, but if you don't, please go down and pay them a visit today. Show them some love and make sure you tell them that Candy sent you. Now, they didn't have a lot of rules for this. They wanted us to use red, white, and blue. There was one stipulation, and that is that we use or be creative with a paper napkin. So I'm going to stop talking, let you go ahead and watch my video and look at my tablescape. I will say before I let you go, if you don't subscribe to this channel today, I hope you'll do that. I'll be back at the end like I always do, just to say a couple words. right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to jump back on for a quick second to tell you to please make sure that you go and visit the host of this collaboration. Again, that is Tammy Thompson, TVMG, and Vondessa, Vee-Ology. Also, if you don't subscribe to this channel, I really hope you'll do that today. Click that notifications bell a couple times as well. That way you'll be notified every time I update or upload new content. So again, I thank you so much for watching. And guys, like I always say, I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.